Studio vlog. Studio vlog. This idea of a studio vlog, it really tickles me because I don't actually have a studio. Fake studio vlog! I'm actually nervous about vlogging. I don't know, I've vlogged before, but this time I'm nervous. I guess because I feel like I'm starting something new and something that I am excited about and I believe in, and yeah, so studio vlogs! Welcome! I kinda just wanna get into it and start doing it and then let it develop as it develops and not think too much about it and not worry too much about it. And I want to just show you my creative life. I really want to do this as a way of getting myself to actually be more creative, because I do find that when I'm doing something, I don't know, like either for or with other people, and vlogging is kind of with other people, it's with you people, it really motivates me. And I need that motivation because I get so uninspired and then I don't do anything for weeks or months, and I just want to be more creative, and I'm hoping that studio vlogs will help me be more creative and kind of keep going, and kind of like we can have that kind of mutual encouragement. It's actually Andrew's birthday today, and I didn't get him a card. Which, as a Dutch person, isn't that strange, because you don't tend to give people cards if you're actually with them. You tend to only give cards if you don't see people, so you send them in the post. But anyway, it's not really a good excuse anymore, because it's like I've lived here for 18 years or something, I don't know. Anyway, so the other day he saw some of my work on my desk, this one with these flowers, and he really liked it. I thought I would do a little birthday card with that, so that's what I'm doing right now. Taking the tape off. Handmade card in 10 minutes. Woohoo! Are you going to eat the whole cake?
Yes.
Oh my goodness! A Land Rover cake.
You were expecting something like Minecraft.
Well, I don't know what I was expecting.
Well, Zephyr did suggest a Minecraft cake for you.
Yeah, I bet you did.
Merci beaucoup, madame.
Saturday, the 11th of July. It's already the evening. I didn't really vlog today. I was just making some tea and going to have some cake, and I thought I would have a quick chat to the camera. I have been editing a lesson that I am doing for Book of Days. That's a course that I'm teaching on, and I am trying some new things with the editing, trying to kind of make it a bit more interesting in anticipation of trying to make more videos for YouTube as well. So I'm just having a little experiment. By editing it, I'm actually getting really excited about making other videos. I've got so many ideas for videos that I kind of want to like get straight to it, but I need to just get this deadline out of the way basically, and then I am going to start making some other videos, so I'm quite excited about that. Good morning. What is going on with my face? How old am I? 15? The last couple of days have been a little bit stressful, busy, and today I have time for art, and I just thought that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have a few minutes of sketching with this mechanical pencil. I was inspired by Roxanne Coble by Bun, who got a red mechanical pencil, and I thought I need one too because that's how it works on the internet. Sorry, shaky camera. Ready to do some overhead filming in a minute. I did some skating exercises the other day that I hadn't done before. I think it's kind of messed up my neck a little bit today. I'm really hoping it will be better by tomorrow because I've got two fun things on tomorrow. I'm meeting up with friends in the park to go skating, and I am co-hosting a Zoom quiz for my choir. Fingers crossed it will feel better. I'm about to film for Art Journal with Iris, currently the only regular series that I am putting on this channel. I have loads and loads of ideas for videos, but I'm trying to go slow so I don't burn out and I don't get too frantic and manic. I just kind of want to ease my way in, figure out how much I can film and edit, like how much of that fits into my life, how much time does it take. What's also really important is that I stay close to myself. I feel like in the past, but with everything in my life, I tended to do what I feel like I should do, what people expect from me, what avoids the most conflict or gain the most likes, that kind of stuff. I'm trying to really be much more deliberate about thinking about what's me, what do I like, what do I feel passionate about. Because what's happened in the past is like I start with a really like a solid plan, but the plan isn't really based on what brings me joy. And then obviously, you know, you follow your plan and you do your to-do list for a couple of weeks and then you burn out because it's not sustainable. Because at the heart of it, you need to enjoy what you do or have a certain motivation. And when the motivation is all external, is all about the goals and not about the process, then, you know, the enthusiasm will wane really quickly. So I'm trying to be really conscious, really deliberate, and taking things much slower than I usually would. I'm going to film another Art Journal with Iris episode, or maybe if I can crank out 2, that would be so amazing. I'm feeling quite excited about filming right now, which is great, filming and making art. really well. I managed to film 2 episodes, that's great. Those are coming out every second Thursday. That's a schedule that I'm feeling good about right now. That feels doable. I realized that for me right now, filming actually really helps me do art. Over the course of a COVID quarantine, something that's become really clear to me is that I find it impossible to do things on my own. I can make myself do things, but I can never keep it up. So I started rollerblading. I really love it. But I found some friends who also wanted to start rollerblading. So we've been going on the phone, like a 2-way conversation or a 3-way conversation, and we go skating together. By doing that like several times a week together, I've been able to do it. Whereas if I was doing it by myself, I might go out once a week, but then I would kind of let it lapse, and that kind of that get up and go of like, yeah, I'm gonna do something. I find that really hard to self-motivate, basically. I think for some people that self-motivation comes from, what they've learned in childhood, but for me it just hasn't, and I find it really difficult. But I find it much easier if I'm doing it with other people, so that's what I've kind of discovered about myself. The same thing applies for almost everything, almost anything. When it comes to doing things like painting for myself, I actually find it much easier if I know that I'm going to be, having an audience, I guess, so it doesn't feel like I'm doing it so alone. And I do think like doing art for yourself, and the art I do is for myself, like it's an expression of myself, but it can feel so lonely and so exposing. I've had more time to myself to do things during quarantine, and yet I haven't done as much art as I would have liked. And now that I'm kind of running the camera when I do art, I'm much more excited about it, and I do a lot more, and yet I'm still able to really capture art for myself. Like I'm not censoring myself or making it look different than if I was just making art by myself. The only difference is that I'm actually making art, so yay. For now, this is what works for me, so I'm actually, I'm really glad I get to do art and go skating because I feel like I'm not doing it by myself. And now I am in serious need of lunch. A little bit of a crisis of confidence about vlogging. Already, you ask? Yes. I haven't even put out my first vlog. I'm still vlogging my first vlog. Like, I suspect it is self-sabotage, which is something I'm really good at. I find it so hard to just do something, I just get in my head negative self-talk, comparing myself, what's the pointitis, all that kind of. It's like the self-sabotage toolkit. I mean, I know what I'm doing it for, and I know that I want to do it as well, and I enjoy it. I mean, I think that is the most important thing. Like, I look forward to it. I've enjoyed editing the vlog so far. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it and put it out there, and then just start on the next one. I think in this case, that is the best plan. Stop thinking so much, Iris, and start doing more. So thank you for being here and watching my first studio vlog. So I hope you enjoyed this little peek into my life, folding laundry and doing art. I hope there was a good balance of, like, you know, art, life footage, and a little bit of talking as well. I hope that was enjoyable, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, I start every sentence. I just can't talk today. I just can't language today. Or it's all about the goals. Oh, doorbell. Like.